Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Welcome to all. Inshallah all are very fine. I am your English grammar teacher. In English grammar today we are going to learn about new lesson sensible sentences 2. What is the name of the lesson? Sensible sentences 2. In previous lessons we have learned sensible sentences 1. And this is the second part of the lesson sensible sentences 2. This is a second part. So we learn about it. Let us learn it. Complete sentences has a two parts. Each complete sentences has a two part. First is naming part and second is telling part. The naming part and the telling part together make a complete sentence. Without it, we cannot make complete sentence. Let us learn what is a telling part or naming part. Naming part means names someone or something. Naming part means names someone or something. Telling part means tells what someone or something does. Telling part means tells what someone or something does. Let us see the next. We will see the example now. Meeta and her family live in a bungalow. Meeta and her family live in a bungalow. It's a complete sentence. Now, what is the telling part and what is the naming part of this sentence? Meeta and her family is a naming part. Meeta and her family is a naming part. Live in a bungalow is a telling part. Live in a bungalow is a telling part. Let us see the next sentence, next examples. Birds fly in the sky. It's a complete sentence. Bird flies in the sky. What is the telling part of this sentence and what is the telling part of this sentence? Naming part or telling part? Birds is a naming part of this sentence. Fly in the sky is a telling part of this sentence. What is the telling part of this sentence? Fly in the sky and naming part birds. Let us see the next example. The big yacht is sailing in the sea. The big yacht is sailing in the sea is a complete sentence. Let us see what is the naming part or telling part of this sentence. The big yacht is a naming part of this sentence. The big yacht is a naming part of this sentence. And what is the telling part? Is sailing in the sea is a telling part. Is sailing in the sea is a telling part. Next, a naming part is a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase. A group of words that acts like a noun in a sentence. A naming part is a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase. Means naming part is a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase. A group of words that acts like a noun in a sentence. Telling part. The telling part always starts with a verb and includes all words that comes after the verb. Telling part always started with a verb means action words. It starts with the action words. and includes all words that comes after the verb. Next, let us do the exercise of this lesson. Look at the picture. There are some animals in these pictures, and according to this we will complete the sentences which is a telling part or which is a naming part. Choose the missing parts from the box to complete each sentence. We will choose the naming and telling parts, missing parts of each sentence from here. First is the python is eating juicy leaves, are digging a burrow. The crocodiles are grazing on grass. Which animals are you seeing in this picture? Giraffes, zebras, macaques and python. First part is a naming part and second is a telling part. In first column we will write the naming part and in second column we will write the telling part which are missing from here. First, the giraffe. What is the giraffe doing? Yes, it is eating juicy leaves. What is the giraffe doing? Is eating juicy leaves. The tall giraffe is eating juicy leaves. Naming part, the tall giraffe. Telling part is eating juicy leaves. Next is are swimming in the lake. Are swimming in the lake. Who are swimming in the lake? Yes, crocodiles. So we write here the crocodiles. The crocodiles are swimming in the lake. It's a complete sentence. The crocodiles are swimming in the lake. The crocodile is a naming part and are swimming in the lake is a telling part. Next, the zebras. What are the zebras doing? Are grazing on the grass. What are the zebras doing? Are grazing on the grass. Are grazing on the grass. Next is coiled up on a tree. Who is on the tree? Yes, the python. The python. The python is coiling on a tree. Next, two macaques. What are they doing? Yes. Are digging a burrow. Maggots are digging a burrow. The maggots is the telling part. Are digging a burrow is the naming part. Is it right now? No. The maggots is the naming part and are digging in a burrow is the telling part. I think each and everyone have understood about this lesson. Some exercises are remain of this lesson. Inshallah, we will continue in the next video. Now it's a homework time. Do it 3 times. Choose the missing parts from the box to complete each sentence. Do it 3 times. I will ask about this homework in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallahu khairan kasira. Allah Hafiz.